Hi everyone, here we've got the DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the call waiting on this device. So firstly we have to enter the phone dialer and tap on this three dots icon in the right lower corner. Now let's tap on the settings, and here we have to enter call settings. Let's tap on the card you're currently using, and here we've got the additional settings. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on OK, and I have no idea why this option is inactive in my case, but as you can see here we've got the call waiting option, which is obviously right now turned off in my case. And if you'd like to turn it on, all you will have to do is simply tap on this switcher right here, and thanks to this you will activate the call waiting, so during a call your device will notify you of any other incoming calls. Obviously you will be able to turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on it again, but this is how to actually turn on the call waiting. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the call waiting in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.